Greetings, esteemed viewers, and welcome to the intellectual haven that is PAF'S Hub. Today, we embark on a cerebral odyssey, venturing deep into the heart of scientific inquiry. This curated playlist promises to unfurl the mysteries shrouding the scientific research process and the delicate art of scholarly prose. Our expedition commences with Chapter 1, Introduction. 1.1 Background to the study. Behold the cornerstone of our intellectual fortress, the background to the study. Here, we delve into the annals of time, meticulously tracing the evolutionary tapestry of our research realm. Unearth the roots of relevant concepts, traverse the winding corridors of theory evolution, and scrutinize the contemporary landscape of knowledge. In this alchemy of exploration, identify the crucibles of knowledge gaps and lingering enigmas that lay the groundwork for your forthcoming scholarly endeavors. 1.2 Statement of the problem. Our journey presses onto the layer of inquiry, the statement of the problem. Here, precision and depth converge to articulate the essence of our investigative pursuit. Elevate the significance of the issue at hand within the grand tapestry of human understanding. Define the boundaries of this enigma with surgical precision, offering a clarion call to focus and clarity for the chapters yet to unfold. 1.3 Aim. The overarching aim emerges as the North Star guiding our intellectual voyage. Craft a statement of purpose that spans the breadth of your study, encapsulating the very soul of your research endeavors. Let this be the compass that steers your scholarly ship through the tempestuous seas of knowledge. 1.4 Specific Objectives. Enter the granular realm of specific objectives, the building blocks of our intellectual citadel. 3 objectives, distinct yet harmonious, pave the way to the realization of our lofty aim. These are the milestones that, when stitched together, form the intricate tapestry of our scholarly pursuit. 1.5 Research Questions. Behold the crystalline clarity of research questions, interrogatives designed to pierce through the veils of uncertainty. Each question, a strategic arrow aimed at the heart of the problem, aligning seamlessly with the specific objectives. Let these questions be the quiver from which knowledge arrows are unleashed. 1.6 Justification of the study. In this section, we unfurl the banner of justification, declaring the importance and relevance of our intellectual quest. Articulate how our research bridges chasms in knowledge, casting ripples of implication across theory and practice. Illuminate the practical applications that breathe life into our findings, solidifying the weight of our scholarly contribution. 1.7 Scope of the study. The scope of our exploration beckons, a realm defined by geographical, temporal, and conceptual boundaries. Survey the landscape, delineating with precision the facets of our topic to be unveiled, providing a compass to navigate the intricate terrain. 1.8 Limitation of the study. With transparency as our guide, acknowledge the limitations that may cast shadows upon our scholarly endeavor. This conscientious awareness fortifies the rigor of our study, preparing our audience for potential challenges on our collective journey. 1.9 Organization of the study. And now, a panoramic view of the intellectual landscape, the organization of the study. Here, we unveil the architectural blueprint of our research, outlining chapters that dance in harmony. A tantalizing preview of the intellectual feast to come, offering a clear roadmap for our esteemed audience. Now, with hearts aflame with curiosity, let us plunge headlong into Chapter 2, Literature Review. The saga unfolds. Chapter 2, Literature Review. And now, dear viewers, as we traverse the fertile grounds of Chapter 2, our journey takes us deeper into the intellectual labyrinth, unraveling the threads that weave the fabric of knowledge. 2.1 Theoretical Framework. Behold the majestic tapestry of theories that guide our intellectual odyssey. In this realm, we present a symphony of scholarly thought, drawing upon relevant theories to illuminate the path forward. Explore the intricate connections between these theoretical giants and the very essence of our research. Let the theoretical framework be the compass that aligns our intellectual sails with the winds of knowledge. 2.2 Conceptual Framework. In this section, we unveil a visual masterpiece, the conceptual framework. A kaleidoscope of key concepts, variables, and relationships dances before your eyes. This visual aid is not merely decoration. It is the architectural blueprint, the skeletal structure upon which our study stands. Let the conceptual framework be the map that guides our audience through the intricate landscape of our intellectual terrain. 2.3 Empirical Reviews. Now, let us journey through the annals of empirical inquiry. A recapitulation of past studies echoes through the corridors of academia. Summarize the key findings, methodologies, and the tantalizing gaps in the existing literature. With a discerning eye, critically analyze how these studies contribute to, or perhaps diverge from, the trajectory of our research. Let the empirical review be the stepping stone that propels us forward into uncharted waters. 2.4 Conceptual review. Our gaze now turns to the conceptual realm, a domain of ideas and definitions that shape the intellectual landscape. Engage in a thorough analysis, a critique that transcends the surface and delves into the very essence of conceptual literature. Identify the key concepts, definitions, and frameworks that color our intellectual canvas. Navigate through the subtle currents of inconsistency and debate, emerging with a nuanced understanding. Let the conceptual review be the compass that orients us within the conceptual constellations. And now, as the curtain falls on Chapter 2, let us transition to the next act of our intellectual symphony. Chapter 3, Methodology. In the hallowed halls of research methodology, precision is the watchword, and meticulousness the conductor of our scholarly orchestra. Brace yourselves as we delve into the crucible of scientific method, where every note is a step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. 3.1 Research Design. Our first movement, the research design. Here, we unveil the blueprint that shapes the very essence of our study. Whether experimental, observational, or a case study design, the rationale behind this choice is laid bare. Join us as we articulate why this design is the bedrock upon which our research questions will be answered. 3.2 Research Approach. In the second movement, we plunge into the depths of research approach. A quantitative, qualitative, or mixed methods approach, the decision is not arbitrary. Witness the justification unfold as we align this approach seamlessly with the chosen design. Every stroke of methodological choice is a brushstroke in the portrait of scholarly rigor. 3.3 Data Collection. Now, the stage is set for the third movement, data collection. A panorama of methods and techniques unfolds, each chosen with purpose. Surveys, interviews, observations, or archival research. The rationale behind these choices is dissected. Every method is a chord in the symphony of scholarly inquiry. 3.4 Population. The fourth movement leads us to the canvas of population, the very brushstroke that defines the scope of our inquiry. Define the population or group from which our sample will emerge. The relevance of this choice echoes through the chambers of our research, resonating with the broader context of our study. 3.5.1 Sampling Technique. In the fifth movement, the sampling technique takes center stage, a meticulous dance that determines the participants in our scholarly ballet. A specific technique is chosen, each step justified with precision. Witness the harmony of statistical considerations, feasibility, and the very requirements of our design. 3.5.2 Sample Size Determination. And now, the sixth movement unfolds, sample size determination. The size of our ensemble is not arbitrary. Join us as we unravel the method behind this seemingly magical number, considering statistical nuances, feasibility, and the unique demands of our symphony. 3.6 Instrument for Data Collection. The seventh movement invites you to witness the crafting of our instruments, a symphony of surveys, questionnaires, interview guides, or other tools. The development or adaptation of these tools is an art unto itself. Dive into the intricacies of reliability and validity, for every note played by these instruments resonates with the truth we seek. 3.7 Data Analysis. The eighth movement, the climax of our symphony, data analysis. Here, we outline the methods that breathe life into our raw data, whether statistical or qualitative. The rationale behind these choices is a roadmap guiding us toward the answers we seek. Every statistical test or qualitative method is a crescendo in the grand finale of our intellectual opus. 3.8 Ethical Consideration. In the penultimate movement, we confront the ethical considerations that underpin our scholarly endeavor. Informed consent, privacy, confidentiality, the pillars upon which ethical research stands. Witness the commitment to ethical practice as we navigate the delicate balance between discovery and responsibility. 3.9 Design of Research Questionnaire. And finally, the concluding movement, the design of the research questionnaire. If applicable, join us in exploring the intricacies of structure, format, and content. Peer into the meticulous design, the result of pilot testing and validation, ensuring that every question posed is a beacon illuminating the path toward enlightenment. And there you have it, folks. Glowing star, but hey, this isn't just about the research. It's about embracing the spirit of exploration and scientific inquiry. Rock it if you found this dive into scientific research intriguing. Hit that like button and subscribe button. See you in the next video.